Kayo, craftsmen! The holiday break gives students a chance to rest and spend time with their families after a busy school year. This interview highlights how students spend their holiday and how it helped them prepare to return to classes. So let's start the interview. We have one student who want to share his holiday break. Okay, dito be. What is your name?
Justin Bray po.
From what grade and section?
Ano po, 7 devotion.
Okay, let's start the question. What is your most memorable moment on holiday break?
Noong pumunta pa kami sa Tarlac, noong January 1 po. And masaya naman siya kasi para bisitahin po yung, ng lola ko po yung pinsan niya. 11 years na po di sila kita, kaya masaya po, sobra.
Happy New Year!
Happy New Year po.
Thank you. We have another two students who wanted to share their experience. Okay, what is your name?
Christian po, Christian.
Winkel po.
Okay, what is your most memorable moment on holiday break?
Marami po akong nakain pagkain. Nabusog po ako araw-araw.
Ay, ikaw naman.
Nagdagat po kami.
Masaya naman.
Oh,
Gusto niyo ulit bumalik?
hindi na po.
Ay, hindi. Okay, thank you. Happy New Year!
Happy New Year!